Perfect day for it, fellas. See, the fish aren't biting though. Tide's coming in. I'll give it another hour. I've been here about an hour now and I haven't had one touch yet, which is disappointing because they're getting heaps of whiting off the beaches at the moment. But tomorrow I'm going to go for a dive off the end of Queenscliff Point there. See if I can get a couple of abs. I haven't dived there since I was a young one. I'll be interested to see what it's like now. Anyway, I'll give it another hour fishing. Unfortunately, the fish aren't cooperating. It's a perfect day, incoming tide. I've got good bait, everything going for it, except the fish aren't cooperating. Alright, I'll get back to you. Well, it appears I spoke too soon, fellas. Here we have a beautiful whiting. Nice looking fish, legal size, caught on a nice whirl. Yum, yum, I'm over the moon. First fish of the morning on the incoming tide. These are my favourite fish. Favourite eating fish. Off the beach. Here's a beauty. Well, I'm going to get serious now and start fishing serious. Over and out, fellas. Not a bad morning fishing today, fellas. Best way to spend Friday morning rather than working. Guess who's having fish and chips for dinner tonight? Two nice flathead. This one's a beauty. He's a good size flathead. And the one nice whiting. Good morning's fishing. Very pleased with that effort. Okay, speak later.